The first objective of any business is profit maximization or earning profit. Profit is the lifeblood of business, without which no business can survive in a competitive market. And in fact, profit making is the primary objective for which a business entity is brought into existence. So profits must be earned in order to ensure that the business, achieves its growth and expansion goals. And profits help businessmen or entrepreneurs not only to earn their living but also to expand their business activities by reinvesting a part of the profits. So profit is a primary objective which help in achieving the other objectives. So the next objective of any business is growth. Every business house wants to achieve growth. That is, it wants to continuously expand its business opportunities. Like earlier business houses, which were entering or working only in the domestic market, want to expand their activities in international market. They want to increase the product lines. So, in order to achieve growth, every business should focus on increasing the market share. So, growth is also one of the objectives of business. The next objective of business is creation of customers. A business unit cannot survive unless there are customers to buy its products or to avail its services. So every business house must aim at not only earning profits but also make sure that they try to provide good quality products and services at reasonable prices so that it will lead to creation of new customers and also helps in maintaining customer loyalty. Now, customer loyalty is a concept wherein customers remain loyal to a particular brand of a product or avail services of one particular institution. So, in order to make sure that customers remain loyal to the the business house should also make sure that they focus on achieving customer satisfaction. So, giving good quality products at affordable prices helps in achieving customer satisfaction. The next objective of business is innovation and utilization of resources. Innovations refers to making continuous changes in existing products. Like earlier when handsets were first launched, like we had big television sets which were big in size, huge in size. Then we had television sets which became smaller and smaller. Then from big boxes, we had the sleeker and slimmer television sets coming in. We had LCDs coming in. Then we had LEDs, plasma coming in, plasma TVs. Then we had the LEDs. Now we have this 3G, 4G concepts and all coming in. So this is basically is called as an innovation, continuously thinking about creating something new in an existing product. So innovation can also be referred to as change, which brings about improvements in products, the processes of production, and also in the distribution of goods. Like earlier, goods, if they had to be sold, it was only through physical outlets which used to be sold. Now, but now using the e-platforms like e-business concepts, we are able to sell goods. So that is also an innovation in distribution of goods. It is only through innovation that business units are able to reduce the cost by adopting better methods of production and also by increasing their sales by attracting more customers. And because of the innovations, since new and business houses are able to offer improved products, and because of the improved products, the business houses are able to attract more customers. The next thing is, apart from innovation, the houses should also focus on utilization of available resources in an optimum manner. The amount of capital which is used to buy machinery, raw materials, and various other tools and techniques which are used in carrying out production is huge. So therefore, the business activities should make sure that of the various resources like men, machines, material, and money are utilized in an optimum way, so that the business houses can make full, achieve profit. The next thing is supply of quality products or services. The business houses should aim at supplying good quality products to its customers, because only when good quality products are offered to the customers will the customers have be satisfied with the product and will they opt for repeat purchases. Further, when supplying good quality products and services, the business houses should make sure that the prices which is charged for the various products and services is nominal or it is fair and it is not exorbitant. And okay, so this is also one of the objectives of business. Next is generation of employment opportunities. Every business house helps should aim at achieving creating employment opportunities. Small scale industries especially help which are generally labor intensive try to generate more employment opportunities. When there is generation of employment opportunities, the standard of living of the people improves. There is increase in the gross domestic product of a country, there is increase in the national income, and ultimately there is also an increase in the per capita income and economic development of the country. So every business house should aim at generating employment opportunities. Further, the business houses should also focus on employee welfare. Because employees are an important asset for the business houses. Therefore, in order to make sure that employee welfare is taken care of, facilities like medical facilities, insurance facilities, housing facilities, and various other facilities should be provided to the employees. Further, the business houses should also focus on the social and psychological satisfaction of the employee. And in order to make sure that employees are psychologically satisfied, the business houses should make sure that the grievances of the employees are resolved in an optimum manner. Next is service to society. Basically, the business houses should focus on serving the society. In one way, by creating employment opportunities, the business houses are also serving to the society. But apart from that, the business houses should also actively take part in the corporate social responsibility activities in a society. Because by taking part in the corporate social activities, responsibility activities, the business houses are able to discharge their responsibility towards the society. Since business houses operate in a society and they sell their products to the people of the society and they make profits from the society, it is bound that the business houses should contribute a part of the profits which they have earned back to the society by contributing to the welfare of the or the upliftment of the society. So business houses can undertake umpteen number of social responsibility activities like maintaining of parks, building of schools, building hospitals, and various other purposes. Like in Infosys, they have, not as a part of their corporate social responsibility initiatives, they go to rural villages and they try to impart computer education to the children over there. So that is an example of corporate social responsibility. So these were some of the objectives of the business.